And then you give me a figure 8 and everything.
You know what I do? I work on that, but me soon.
If you have to go talk to your manager, man.
See me soon, man. Don't worry about that.
Yo, that's what that.
My Heineken for you, you know that man. That green.
I have your friend them. That's on a drink.
Yes, man. It is 2025 and the genius behind this phrase
Nobody can cross it.
would be proud to know. It still stands true to this day.
It's only who understand it.
Don't worry yourself, man. The man's still alive.
Barely.
And so too is that bird. Yeah, just like Uno, I was expecting to see feathers just raining down. And it's like the bird knows say you never did that do nothing to, you know. The whole chest was presented, big and bold, out there.
Touch me now. Touch a feather now.
Not one feather was grazed. You know figure bird bush?
Raw born.
And the brother you know figure fishing. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Not him! Give him a fish, him a go dead for hungry. And some people not go dead for hungry do, you know, because no matter how high up or far the food they, them know how to look it. But the problem is the food is high up and far away because it does not want to be looked. At least he never come back a ground empty-handed. You know, one go down there with him. In about 95% salt. Mama, in the next clip. %100% salt. Jeez, hey, the only pool where I go on right there, so is the pool of tears where she go cry. And if that was the final shot to get the trophy, then I know those tears are going to be flowing more than this.
Señores, mira cómo que estamos aquí hoy. Ya ustedes saben, bobo. Mira, ponlo en chufle.
Important announcement. Your electrician should never be your plumber and vice versa.
Mira, ponlo en chufle.
Something alright, yeah.
And your graduation is a time for a celebration. However, for others, it might mean decimation of the generation. Why, more time you figure easy, you know.
That no hot.
And we understand say you're jubilant, you know, Mama, but the embarrassment after that was instant. And he can attest to embarrassment. Thank God for stretchy jeans, but him clearly never did a wear one. And as a result, none of his prized jewels are remaining.
You fuck, are you?
And when you have prized items, you have to protect them from thieves at all costs, using whatever method possible, even if you have to invent it.
Hey, the new locking system. Show them how you open it. They can't steal your car. They can't steal your car.
Say it with me. Secure.
Lock it again one more time for them.
If you go for thief and see this, no bother.
Better you go your bed.
Might as well go take up something legit like raising chicken. Brother, the chicken never need you. It can fly. You cannot. Want to know what else you cannot? You cannot jump a fence in a water boat.
When so are you rat?
Well, not at least on the first try. Success, my brother.
Can I get a what?
And to achieve success in this life, you have to change gears sometime.
What is going on here?
You have transmission and then you have transmissing. Yeah man, that is missing some form of grease, some form of lubrication. If you have a fight like this for change gear, at time for stop, try change gear and change gearbox. Matter of fact, change the whole truck. I think that brother, yeah. In the pan, they just a little cusp, a little piece, and where I say, oh, you know, at time for my change job. Alright. You see, this is just a simple case of forgetting.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Boss tell us if you carry the scaffolding, you forget to bring the scaffolding. And if you forget to bring the scaffolding, you are going to be the scaffolding. And just like that, people, we're at the end of it. That is it. Thank you each and every week for supporting. Yes, man. Always grateful. I'm always wanting to big up on yourselves. See? You see, as soon as you click on the video, they just know so you have to big up yourself. And before you go, if you do it already, hit the like button. Make sure you say you subscribe. And drop a comment below, man. Until the next video. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it. And you live to achieve it.
Some people serious about the politics, they know, brother.
Because I'm not line up some of my time now. You know, I'm afraid to do it because I say, that's how I can see this and very.
But them not part of You know, feel so they end up outside, master.
So why you know where they are orange shot?
It don't really matter to me. As I say, I don't care about them.
Oh, you used to do carpet and everything there?
Yeah, man, we work with all like big friends and that. The only issue with me was me never signed to none of them, really.